Hey you guys, I'm Julia Rice, and thank you for joining me for the Textile Merit Badge. We're going to explore the material that makes up our clothing and gear that we use in scouting and our outdoor adventures and our everyday lives. Let's consider first our uniforms, which may be blends of cotton and polyester, or they could be nylon and spandex, or even wool and nylon. If you don't know which, just check the tag for the fiber content. And then what about our outdoor gear? That includes a wide range of things, including the nylon cordura that my backpack's made out of to be very strong, the mesh on the back panel that keeps my back dry when I'm walking, and the nylon webbing on the straps that let me adjust our length. Huge amounts of nylon that make up my tent and the rainfly, my sleeping pad and its stuff sack, raincoats that are laminated and treated with durable water repellent to keep them waterproof. We have dry wicking and insulating base layers. We have warm insulating fleece. And the puffy jackets that keep us toasty. My sleeping bag that keeps me warm on those freezing nights. And wool. And Gore-Tex. Okay, so now let's jump right into what gives these textiles the properties that make them so well suited to the rigorous task we give them. The Merit Badge Handbook tells us that the textile industry is among the most thoroughly modern of all industries. For example, robots travel around yarn spinning machines and automatically tie broken threads with no help from human hands. Computer-controlled knitting machines can be instantly programmed from a scanned photograph to knit the image that was scanned. Other machines and processes produce three-dimensional woven composites for such products as kayaks, canoes, and extreme sports gear. Fiber, fabric, and textile. So what's the difference between a fiber and a fabric, or between a fabric and a textile? We will see these words many times, so let's take a moment to make sure we understand them. A fiber is a thin strand or filament, either natural or manufactured, that is formed into yarns and then used to make a fabric. For example, you might say, this fabric is made from a cotton fiber. Another word for fabric is cloth or material. You would say, for example, good clothes for hiking may be made of wool, cotton, or synthetic fabrics. Fabrics are constructed from fibers. Textile generally means a woven fabric, but all types of fabrics are considered textiles, including knits, felts, laces, nets, and braids. In the textile industry, the fibers and yarns used to make fabrics are also referred to as textiles. A textile can be a cloth or it can be a fiber, filament, or yarn used in making cloth. In short, anything made of fibers is a textile. Space shuttle crews wear spacesuits made with 14 layers of fabric. Going from inside out, there's nylon tricot, spandex, a lacing of plastic tubes, urethane-coated nylon, polyester fiber, ripstop nylon, several layers of polyester film, and an outer layer made of fibers that are lighter and tougher than steel. Those same stronger than steel fibers are called aramid fibers, are used to make bulletproof vests for police officers and flameproof suits for firefighters. One of the best known aramids has the trade name Kevlar. So now check out the attached video to see just how spacesuits are made.